What's good, y'all? T in this thing. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to lower an audio clip in Premiere Pro. Let's get it. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Tasha, but we're all friends here, so you can call me T. I do a lot of photography, video, tutorials, and things like that. So if that's something that you're interested in or you want to learn, subscribe. And if you're more of like an advanced person and things like that, you may not need this video because I'm sure you know, but for those who may not know, or maybe you're going a different way on how to do it, I'm gonna show you on how to just do it a quick and easy, simple way. All right, so getting right into it, in Premiere Pro, once you have the clip that you're wanting to lower the audio on, go over to the left of your timeline in that black area. Now, this part, you wanna make sure that you're in the audio section. So obviously up here at the top, that is like the video section. At the bottom, what the heck? And at the bottom, what in the world? And at the bottom is the audio clip. So you want to make sure that you're on that audio section on the line that you're wanting to adjust. So say you're trying to adjust audio track A5 or A2 or A1, something like that. Double click on that black area of that track. This is going to expand that audio file, so it should be larger than the rest of them unless you have multiple already expanded. Then from there, just zoom in a little bit until you see this line. This is going to be your audio level. So by default, it should just be set to like 0. Obviously, it's not muted, but it will just be set to the normal default audio that you have your clip. Just go ahead and click and drag that line down to lower the audio clip. And then obviously to make it louder, you can just drag it up. And then now to close out that clip, if you don't want to expand it anymore, you can just double click on that black section again towards the left on the timeline, and it will be back to the normal size. Now there is a lot of different things that you can do in the audio in Premiere Pro. Since you have that essential sound, they have different effects, different levels that you can do and things like that. So if that's something that you want a video on or something specific in that section, let me know and we can go ahead and make that happen. But all right, y'all, hope this helps. I'm out.